Welcome to an ordinary day in my life. Watch this vlog until the end if you don't believe a healthy lifestyle can be easy. By sharing my unpretentious healthy lifestyle, I'm not gonna convince you, but inspire you to live your best life. Welcome to the vlog! Today, a little later than I usually greet you. Of course, I woke up early, I went to the gym, I had this amazing yoga class, got my coffee, came back, but my husband was teaching a class, so I couldn't make any noise. And yeah, so I already took my shower, I did my makeup, and now it's the time to really start the Saturday. Today's Saturday here. So we are going out now because we are going to this market here in Toronto, the St. Lawrence Market. It's like the central market here in downtown where you can find a lot of good things. By good things, I mean food. It's a good place to buy seafood, to buy meat. So we are going there because we are going to eat there. We are going to have lunch there. And we are also going to buy something to cook tonight at home. And I'm gonna bring you with me. So let's go. Visiting a market like St. Lawrence is a fantastic way to engage in a healthy activity. It's not just about buying food, it's an exploration. You see, when we explore a variety of foods, we open our senses and our curiosity. We encounter new foods, some of which might be unfamiliar, I know, and this is crucial for maintaining a healthy and balanced diet. Variety is key. I always encourage you to explore your local markets whenever you get the chance. Be curious about the different foods you see. And here's a little challenge. Dare to try something even if it doesn't look appealing. You might surprise yourself. Remember, it's these little adventures that can bring joy and new tastes into your life. And hey, if you try something and don't like it, that's okay too. It's all part of the experience. Each new taste, each new texture adds to our food journey. It's about being open to new experience, learning what you like and what you don't, and enjoying the process. After looking around at St. Lawrence Market, we decided to grab a veal parmesan sandwich. You know, I really love eating at markets. The food is always so fresh and yummy, without any fancy stuff, and it's just good, honest food. It's all about enjoying simple, tasty food that's made right there in front of you. Plus, it's a great way to feel connected to the place and the people who make our food. It's meals like this that remind us how food can be simple yet spectacular. It's not about fancy ingredients or complicated recipes. It's all about quality ingredients made with love coming together to create something truly enjoyable. After our lovely lunch, we embarked on a mission to gather healthy ingredients for our dinner. Our first stop was the seafood stall, where we picked up some octopus. Octopus is a great choice for a healthy meal. It's low in fat, high in protein, and packed with essential nutrients like B vitamins, potassium, and iodine. Next, It was time to find some rice. Rice is such a versatile ingredient, perfect for absorbing flavors and making a dish feel hearty and fulfilling. And of course, we couldn't forget about the peppers. They bring color, crunch, and a bit of heat. In the spirit of treating ourselves, we decided to try a few things from the confectionery stall. It's important to remember that indulging in moderation can be part of a healthy lifestyle. As we were about to leave the market, another sweet surprise caught my eye: a stall selling bonbons. These small, delightful chocolates were too tempting to pass up. Bonbons, with their rich flavors and bite-sized portions, are perfect for a mindful treat. The next stop in our day was Farm Boy. This store is a fantastic spot for anyone who loves fresh, organic produce. I find it an essential place to visit for items that I can't always find at large stores like Costco. Like the type of apples I like. I also rely on Farm Boy for vegetables, particularly when I need to buy them in smaller quantities. This is great for reducing waste and ensuring that I am always cooking with the freshest ingredients. So we are back. We got some goodies from Farm Boy, and this is from St. Lawrence Market. I got octopus, so I was thinking about cooking octopus rice. So I got some black rice, I forgot the name, and I got a mix of peppers because I wanted to try new peppers, and I got this one. Is a mix. I can see there's black pepper here, white pepper, green pepper, and pink pepper. And then, from the same store we got the octopus. Actually, let me get the octopus and put in the fridge right away. Yeah, so from the same store we got the octopus. We got escargots, snails. The French way to say snails. I've never tried and I was always curious about it. I don't know, so when we saw there, we decided why not trying. So we got, it's a dozen of escargots. They are seasoned with herbs and garlic and butter. So we are going to try as an appetizer tonight. And what more? Oh yeah, we passed by this confectionery store and we got, I believe these one are pistachios covered with chocolate. I love pistachios, by the way. And speaking of pistachios, we got, what is the name for this? What is the name of this candy? And we got with pistachios as well. My husband got this chocolate with mint. I hate chocolate with mint. He loves it. Another thing that we got was this marzipan on dark chocolate. I never tried, so I was curious. I am this type of person, when I see something that I've never tried before, I go for it. Actually, that's a good tip. I'm not saying that this is healthy. It's not. But the more things you try, actually the more things you like, the healthier your diet gets. Because when you eat a variety of food, everything is diluted. The good food, the not so good food. I don't like to say bad food, but the food that we shouldn't be eating all the time. So everything gets diluted and you get more nutrients, you get more vitamins, and you get less of the bad things. Because even if you love chocolate, but if you also like a lot of fruits, you are not going to eat as much chocolate as you would if you didn't like the fruits. I don't know if I explain it. That's it. So yeah, actually, it's a matter of living life. You never know when you are going to find a new love. You know, you have to try things. I love to try new foods. I love food actually. So if someday you wanna give me a gift, food is always a good gift. Just kidding. So I think I'm gonna rest for a little, and then right after we are going to prepare Saturday night dinner, and you are coming with me. First, I tackle the octopus tentacle. I used a pressure cooker to cook it. Setting it on high pressure for about 15 minutes. Then it was time to cook the rice. To add more taste and goodness, I chopped up some carrots and radish and cooked them along with the rice. I used the water from boiling the octopus to cook the rice, giving it a beautiful, subtle seafood flavor. As the rice was getting ready and the water almost dried up, I stirred the cooked octopus into it. This way, all the wonderful flavors came together. While the rice and octopus were cooking, I also prepared the escargot. I followed the simple baking instructions on the package and put them in the oven for 12 minutes. To serve, I plated the octopus rice and gave it a final touch with a drizzle of olive oil infused with garlic. Remember those peppers we got earlier? I sprinkled them over the top for a bit of color and a gentle kick. I hope you enjoyed following along as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. From exploring the vibrant St. Lawrence market, indulging in a delicious sandwich, to preparing a nourishing dinner, today was all about embracing the joys of healthy living and trying new things. Remember, it's all about balance, exploring new flavors, and making healthy choices that still bring a smile to your face.